This compact SIMREX drone folds down small and weighs under 100 grams, so it is easy to toss in a bag and bring along for casual flying sessions. The built-in camera records at full high-definition resolution with an adjustable lens angle, making it surprisingly capable for basic aerial photos and video at this size. Altitude hold and optical flow positioning keep the quadcopter steady in the air, which really helps beginners capture smoother footage without constant manual corrections. A single button handles takeoff and landing, and you can also use simple path drawing, gravity control, and three-dimensional flips for playful flying without a steep learning curve. 3 selectable speed levels let new pilots start slowly and then increase responsiveness as their skills improve, while headless mode further reduces orientation confusion. With 2 modular batteries, protective safety features, and bright lighting that keeps it visible in dim conditions, it offers a reassuring and enjoyable entry point into drone flying.